You don't need money to make money anymore, you just need AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn $0 into your first 1,000 using free tools anyone can access. Step 1. Pick a simple service. Start by picking a service people already pay for: writing, graphic design, or video editing. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're using AI to do it faster. For example, businesses pay $50 to $200 for short blog posts or YouTube scripts. Step 2. Use AI to do the work. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write content. Use Canva Magic Studio for designs. Use Pictory to edit videos. Combine them, and suddenly, you're a full-service freelancer with zero startup cost. Step 3. Find clients fast. Now it's time to find clients. Go where the money already flows: Reddit, Facebook groups, and Fiverr. Offer a free sample or discounted first gig. You're not chasing profit yet, you're building proof. Once you have one happy client, you've got a portfolio. Step 4. Scale to $1,000. When something works, automate it. Use AI to create templates, reuse prompts, and batch tasks. Offer bundles, like 3 blog posts for $150, and reinvest profits into ads or automation tools. That's how $0 turns into 1,000 and beyond. If you want me to break down the exact prompts I use to make money with AI, drop a comment saying, "I money," and subscribe for the next video.